In the last chapter, we built the three great engines of learning: classical conditioning, operant conditioning, and observation. This chapter moves from mechanism to application, from how learning works to what it does in the real world and what it can't do. Because here's a crucial truth that pure behaviorism missed: we are not infinitely flexible. Biology sets boundaries on learning, and understanding them matters. We met one boundary already, with taste aversion, the idea of biological preparedness, that evolution makes us learn certain associations easily and others almost not at all. We're wired to learn to fear snakes and heights, ancient dangers, far faster than to fear electrical outlets or cars, which kill far more people today. Our learning systems were tuned by an environment that no longer exists. Then there are critical periods, sometimes called sensitive periods, windows of development when certain kinds of learning happen easily, and after which they become hard or impossible. The clearest example is language. Young children soak up language with astonishing ease, mastering the sounds and grammar of any tongue they're immersed in. But that window narrows with age. This is why adults who learn a new language usually keep an accent and struggle with sounds that children absorb effortlessly. The neural systems for processing speech sounds are maximally plastic in early childhood and lose that flexibility over time. The window doesn't slam shut, but it does close partway, and that has real consequences for how and when we teach. The deeper lesson connects to a theme from the very first chapter. Nature and nurture are not opponents. Learning, which looks like pure nurture, is itself shaped by nature, by evolved predispositions and developmental timing. What we can learn, and how easily, is constrained by the biological creature doing the learning. Holding that in mind, the rest of this chapter does something practical. It takes the principles you've learned and turns them loose on the modern world, on the devices in your pocket, the games that consume hours, the therapies that change lives, and the habits you're trying to build or break. The goal isn't just to collect examples, it's to develop a habit of analysis, to look at any pattern of behavior and ask, what's reinforcing this? What's been conditioned here? Once you can see the machinery, you can start to work with it. And there's no better place to start than the most powerful behavior-shaping technology ever built, the smartphone. That's next.